Disinfect your hands. This sign requires hand disinfection to prevent contamination. It protects both you and others from harmful microbes, typically found in hospitals, labs, and clean environments. Disinfect surface. This sign indicates that surfaces must be disinfected. It helps prevent the spread of bacteria or hazardous substances, common in labs, medical rooms, and food handling areas. Lock moving mechanical parts. This means machinery must be locked before work begins. It prevents accidental movement during maintenance or repair, used in workshops, factories, and mechanical rooms. Tools must be tethered. This sign requires tools to be secured with tethers. It prevents dropped tools from injuring people below, common on scaffolding, elevated platforms, and ships. Use lamp and luminaire with shield. This warns that only shielded lamps are allowed. The shield prevents glare, breakage, or exposure to heat, seen in industrial lighting and hazardous work areas. Use anti-tip restraints. This sign requires securing equipment to prevent tipping. Unstable machinery can fall and cause serious injuries, common with heavy cabinets, machines, or appliances. Use decontamination shower. This indicates a decontamination shower must be used if exposed. It removes hazardous chemicals or biological agents from the body, typically found in labs, chemical plants, and hazardous zones.